Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of virtual reality and augmented reality with the highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro VR/AR headset. Brace yourselves, because we have 5 mind-blowing facts that will leave you speechless. Fact 1. The Apple Vision Pro boasts an astonishing 8K display resolution. That's right, folks. With a picture quality so crystal clear, you'll feel like you're truly immersed in another world. Say goodbye to pixelated visuals and hello to the future of VR/AR. Fact 2. This headset features Apple's revolutionary eye tracking technology. Imagine just glancing at an object and having it instantly respond to your gaze. It's like magic. Be prepared to interact with virtual environments in a way you've never imagined before. Fact 3. The Vision Pro comes equipped with advanced haptic feedback. Get ready to feel every virtual touch, punch, and explosion as if they were happening right in front of you. This technology pushes the boundaries of immersion to a whole new level. Fact 4. It's not just about visuals and touch, folks. Apple has outdone themselves again by incorporating spatial audio into the Vision Pro. This means that sounds can come from any direction, giving you an unparalleled sense of presence in the virtual world. It's like having a personal surround sound system strapped to your head. Fact 5. Are you tired of tangled cables? Well, rejoice, because the Apple Vision Pro is completely wireless. No more tripping over pesky wires or limiting your freedom of movement. This headset allows you to explore, game, and create without any physical restraints. So there you have it, folks. The Apple Vision Pro VR/AR headset is a true game changer, offering an unmatched level of immersion and innovation. Get ready to step into a world where boundaries are shattered and dreams become reality. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay plugged in,